Hi folks, I'm Marcus from CountryWoodSmoke.
And I'm Elky, aka the Smoking Elk, and today we're here to talk about temperature.
So I've been barbecuing seriously for about 11 years ago, and when I first started using a Thermapen, it gave me accuracy, control, and really improved my barbecue skills. I love them, they're great.
I think for me, it kind of changed my barbecue game when you realise that cooking to temperature, not to time. We've all been there, we've done joints of beef in the oven, and it'll tell you to cook it for 3 hours or cook it for 2 hours, but every joint of beef is different. So once you start cooking them all to the exact temperature, it becomes a science. It's an absolute game changer.
So I've been teaching classes here for beginners and intermediate barbecuers for the last 5 or 6 years, and the first thing I tell them to get is digital thermometer such as the Thermapen. It gives them a lot of confidence when they're getting going and cook to temperature, not to time.
One of the funny stories is when you cook at food festivals, when you're doing demos, you've got a crowd around and they want to taste the food, and they taste the food, and the first thing they say is, how is it so juicy? How long did you cook that for? Is always the first question. And I say, I don't know. I don't know how long I've cooked it for, because I've cooked it to temperature. I've taken it to where it's safe to eat, but not too far that it's overdone and it starts to dry out. And once they know the science, the next question they ask is, what barbecue is that and where can I get one? This is the wrong question to ask. And the right question is, of course, where do I get one of these instant read thermometers from?
All right mate, enough talking, let's get cooking, I'm hungry.
Sounds good to me. So there we go, 2 chickens cooked with 2 completely different methods, one on a rotisserie, one spatchcock, but the same end result because we cooked them to temperature 75 degrees.
As I teach my kids, 75, stay alive, so that you know that when you're cooking chicken, it's a safe temperature for you and your family and friends to enjoy.
But now's the hard part. The most important part is let these rest for 10-15 minutes and then we'll slice in and see exactly how we've done. Let's have a taste.
The best bit. That's delicious.
Cooking the temperature, perfectly cooked every time.